Today is February 8th.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
A month ago, I recorded this video.
Today is January 7 and kakatapos lang ng mga festivities, ng holidays, at ng mga food trip. Ninenjoy kong malala and I got out of shape. I just weighed myself and sabi ng scale ay 182 pounds from, I don't know, I can't even remember. And this is how I look at 182 pounds. Yun, tapos testing kong utuin yung sarili ko gumawa ng mga magagandang habits to get back on shape and hopefully maging okay at ma-reach ko yung goals ko.
Since then, I decided that I am going to be consistent with my workout and maging medyo consistent sa diet ko. At least 5 out of 7 days a week. Kasi gusto ko pa rin ma-enjoy yung weekend and usually yung bonding with friends and family, it comes with good food. This video is about me committing. Well, not 100% committed kasi wala naman akong pinaghahandaan kung ano man. Ang gusto ko lang maging happy and confident about how I look.
January 14, second week na ng year and wala pa rin nangyayari. Pumood trip na naman ako kahapon kasi meron pa akong steak. January 14, I will get back on track. But for now, para wala ng temptation, busin ko na itong steak ko.
So in this video, I am going to launch my project Path to Sexiness, my Getting Back in Shape arc. Gusto ko kasi yung mga title ng mga isekai na anime, yung mga reincarnated. Ang haba ng title nila and I want myself to have my own story. Gusto ko magkaroon ng sarili kong parang ganun. Although, hindi naman ako reincarnated. Gusto ko lang magkaroon ako ng ganong type of video where I start something, I improve on something, and hopefully, I get the results that I want. Actually, may mga na-record na rin akong video before February 8. Pero kasi, gusto kong gawin tong video na to para mas mag-commit ako. Actually, nag-comment si Colt dun sa previous upload ko. Sabi niya, ain't nothing to it but to do it. And mas ginanahan akong gawin yung bagay na gusto kong gawin. And I'll start with improving myself and being consistent. Tapos tama nga no, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Pagka-upload ko ng video na to, wala na akong choice kundi gawin. I will just document the journey. I will upload it in the internet. It will be nice to have something to look back to in the future. I'm not sure how long it will take, pero when I get there, I'll get there. So itong video na to ang magiging hudyat ng aking hopefully sumeksi ako. I don't know how many episodes this will be because wala naman akong deadline. I just want to do little adjustments with my lifestyle until I get to the point where I am happy and confident about how I look again. Actually, after January 7, meron pa rin akong inattenda na mga birthday ganaps. Siyempre, enjoy lang yun. Good food, good company, yan, inom. Then after nun, siguro mga around ngayong February 8, 3 weeks na akong medyo consistent and I'm happy with what I'm seeing. I'm not there yet, pero it's nice to see progress. Actually, for the first week, going to the second week, parang medyo nakaka-frustrate kasi medyo parang nagbawas naman ako ng calories. Consistent naman ako sa workout ko. Pero bakit parang walang nangyayari? Pero this week, the third week, when I decided to record this video, I'm seeing pretty nice results. Hindi naman sobrang, wala naman akong abs pa. Pero from my starting point on January 7, after 3 weeks, well, a month na, pero kasi nga hindi ako nag-start agad, ang dami ko sinasabi. Pero you get the point. Ngayong February 8, I have seen a little bit of results and I'm happy about it. At mas nag-fuel yung motivation sa akin kasi medyo may nakikita akong resulta of my hard work and sacrifices. Well, di naman sobrang sacrifices. O sige na nga, medyo sacrifice, ganun. Kasi nagbawas ako ng kain ko during the weekdays. So, ang approach na ginagawa ko is 5 days, I try to eat clean, lower calories, and then pagdating sa weekend, it's just intuitive eating. In-enjoy ko lang yung mga pagkain kasi masarap eh. Tapos, yun, I'm just a little bit more mindful na hindi ako nagpapakabusog until yung parang impacho na yung pakiramdam ko. Sakto lang, yung ma-enjoy ko yung food. So yun, this is my first episode of Project Path to Sexiness. My Getting Back in Shape arc. It's February 8, it's the weekend, so enjoy lang muna ulit. Sa Monday na ulit yung mas consistent. So yun lang, hopefully with this balanced lifestyle approach that I'm going to do, I still get the results that I want. 5 days good, 2 days not so good a week, and hopefully I get the results that I want while enjoying and having a balanced lifestyle. See you sa next episode! Stop recording.
Ayaw pa gumana ng voice ko, man. Stop recording. Stop recording.